The other day, my friend called me and asked me, Susan, I just want numbers. How much will I get if I invest 30,000 Kenya shillings in a money market fund? And although it's hard to give numbers without explanation, I had to do it. I mean, she's my friend, yes? And this is just what I told her. I told her these are just approximations. You might get more or less depending, but here are the numbers. And I know we have many of you here who are just like her and you just want numbers. So today I'm here to give you just numbers. So let's get into it. Our investment is 30,000 Kenya shillings. The interest rate is 16.3%. and the withholding tax is 15%. So we are going to calculate the gross earning per year, and that is earning before tax. And we are going to use this formula. Let me put it here for those who are interested. And the gross earning, when we do the maths, we are going to get 5,316 Kenya shillings. Now let us calculate the withholding tax with using this formula. Then when we do the maths, we are going to get 797.40 Kenya shillings. And then the net earnings will be now 5,316 minus 797.40, which is going to give us 4,518.60, meaning the total amount of money at the end of the year in your account will be 34,518.60 Kenya shillings. Let us look at the monthly earnings. But before we do, if you have come this far in this video, I would like to ask you for a favor. If you like this video and you like what I do here and you want to support, the free and simple way to do that is to hit that subscribe button. And my commitment to you, if you do that, is I'll continue bringing you amazing content and great content on investment opportunities, reviews, and also investment tips. Thank you so much for that, and I appreciate your support a lot. So, to the monthly earnings. We are going to be using this formula to calculate the monthly earning, that is the gross interest. And for that, when we do the maths, we are going to get 410.10 Kenya shillings per month. And then we do the monthly tax calculation, that is the withholding tax. We use this formula and we are going to get 61.52 Kenya shillings. And then we get the net monthly interest, which will be 348.50 Kenya shillings. Okay. And then the final amount in your account for that month will be 30,348.58 Kenya shillings. Remember, we used the formula for daily compounding, so we have factored in daily compounding. You need to check if the money market fund that you're investing in, whether it does daily compounding or monthly compounding. If it does monthly compounding, the yearly returns and also the monthly returns will be a little bit different, but close to that. So this gives you an idea of how much you're going to be getting if you invested in a money market fund. And I can show you a simpler way of doing this. Another amount, maybe 50,000 or 100,000. You can always use a calculator. We are going to use Etica Money Market Fund calculator. So you just go onto Google and Google Etica Money Market Fund calculator. You're going to get this, and then you key in the initial amount that you want to invest. In this case, we did 30,000. You can change this to whatever amount that you have. Then we're assuming that you're not topping up anything in your account, but if you're topping up at the end of every month, you can key in the numbers. And then we have the interest rate at 16.3% per annum. You can adjust this to the interest rate in the money market fund account that you want to start investing in. And then you can see that they do compounding frequency as daily. And that is the only option that they have. And then duration of investment is in years. So we put 1 year, and then you just hit calculate, and it's going to give you the value or the amount of money that you'll be earning in that particular account. So, and the beauty of daily compounding in like this example, it means that what you earned today will be used to calculate your earnings tomorrow. So make sure that you leave that money in there. Don't get the interest and then you chuck it out from your account. Make sure that you leave it there so that you can enjoy the effect of daily compounding, or the effect of compounding.
I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please consider watching this video on how you can earn up to 24% per annum interest rate on Monza X. Happy investing. Bye for now.